In this video, we're going to look at how to count people in Irish, specifically from 1 to 10. Let's start. If you want to say one person in Irish, just say dinna a wine. Dinna a wine, a single person. Tháinig dinna a wine. One person came or one person turned up. Tháinig dinna a wine. Beirt is two people in Irish. Beirt. Tá Beirt Vach acu. They have two sons. Tá Beirt Vach acu. Triúr is three people in Irish. Triúr. Tá Triúr Páistí acu. She has three children. Tá Triúr Páistí acu. Cathair is four people in Irish. Cathair. The Cathair ban ann. There were four women there. The Cathair ban ann. Cúigear is five people. Cúigear. Banna a bhfuil cúigear ann. A five-piece band or a band of five people. Banna a bhfuil cúigear ann. Six people is Seisear. Seisear. Tá Seisear a gcuin ann. There are six of us there. Tá Seisear a gcuin ann. Seachtar is seven people. Seachtar. Tá Seachtar sa teaghlach. There are seven in the family. Tá Seachtar sa teaghlach. Ochtar is eight people. Ochtar. Bhí ochtar ann. There was eight there. Bhí ochtar ann. Naonóir is nine people. Naonóir. Tá naonóir múntóirí a gcuin. We have nine teachers. Tá naonóir múntóirí a gcuin. Deithnóir is 10 people in Irish. Deithnóir. Idir cúigear agus deithnóir. Between 5 and 10 people. Idir cúigear agus deithnóir. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll be back very soon with another video. Thanks for watching.